What kind of fish is this? Sobrang laki. Barakuda pala, master. Yeah. Grabe ka. Pauway. Sobrang laki yung barakuda, master. Laki ng barakuda, mga master. Yung lure nga gamit natin is from Pauway Tackle Shop. Search nyo lang sa Facebook, master. Pauway Anglers Tackle Shop. Lalabas yung page nila. Grabe. Gamit lang yung goose shrimp na orange head, oh. Ito. Sobrang laki ng barakuda, good size. Sarap ng laban. Ganda, master.